Hey everyone, watch as I make a cute Minnie Mouse decoration for our granddaughter's first birthday party coming up this weekend. I took an old piece of silver, vintage silver creamer, I don't really know what it is, a pitcher, a small medium-sized pitcher. I covered it in 2 coats of white chalk paint. It stuck pretty well, but just to make sure that it stuck even more, I did go over it with a triple thick and Duraclear mixture. It's 3 parts triple thick to 1 part Duraclear. Mix it together and it will give you a really nice shine on your project. I had picked up these styrofoam balls from Hobby Lobby. They are a bigger ball and then 2 smaller ones. I did cut a little notch off the smaller ones to give it a nice flat surface to make the ears, and the same thing to the other side, and simply using hot glue I just attached them on. The glue will melt the styrofoam a little bit, but just be patient and make it work. I took a 1/4-inch dowel rod and shoved it through the bottom of the mouse head and secured it with a little bit of hot glue just to keep it secure. I then went over the ears first and applied a heavy coat of Mod Podge. I wanted to make sure all that Mod Podge got into those crinkles of the styrofoam. And then I sprinkled it with a hefty dose of gold glitter that I also got from Hobby Lobby. And working in sections, I just continued that then on to the next ear. And when I got to the face of, or the bigger ball of the Minnie Mouse head, I did the front side first. And then I went back and did the other side because I didn't want that Mod Podge to dry up. So I just worked in sections and took my brush with the Mod Podge and worked it right up to the section I left off, and it worked great. I didn't have any problem, and the glitter is on there. I don't have a lot of fallout when I use Mod Podge with glitter. It is my choice when applying glitter, and this is the Mod Podge Glossy is what I used, and it worked great. After I had my mouse head all glittered, I took the base back, the little vase. I took a piece of styrofoam, or it's like floral foam, and I measured it and stuck it down in there. I didn't need to glue it. It was pretty tight, and I stuck that dowel rod right down in the center, and then taking these beautiful pale pink and cream peony flowers, I just alternated them around the base, sticking them into the floral foam. And to give a little bit of bling on the front, I added a Totally Dazzled brooch that I clipped the back off of onto the front of that. Sorry, that's my dog barking. I then took this really pretty pale pink and white polka dotted ribbon and I made a bow. I'm not the greatest at bows, but I made it work. I glued it on with some hot glue, and then I cut the tails. I didn't dovetail the tails or anything, and I just stuck it up there in between Minnie Mouse's ears. And then I added a Totally Dazzled smaller gold pin, bling pin, up to the top, and I have to make 8 of these for the birthday party this weekend, but it turned out super cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed.